Good morning, student. Welcome to the online math class. This is a class 8th video. So, we have to start this video with the help of the question number 2. And before this video, we have to give you one video that is related with the exercise introduction, and also we have to start our new exercise, that is your exercise 17.1. So student, everyone complete this exercise. As you know that this exercise is simple, and as usual this is exercise is based on a graph. So in this in my previous video we have to explain you how to make a graph and how many type of graph you have in your chapter, and also how to make it, and also we have to explain about the probability, and so many terms that is related with the probability, and also help to understood how the probability is work. So today I have to explain the exercise uh, 17.1 with the question number 2. That is quite easy question, not so hard. So everyone see this and take it your book and notebook, and then after you have to see this video, then you have to understood what we have to say and how to solve this question. Okay, so question is, the favorite flower of the ice cream for the children in a locality are given in the percentage as follow. Draw the pie chart to represent this given information. So you have to draw a pie chart. In my previous video we have to explain you a pie chart, how to create a pie chart. Pie chart is just like a circle shaped graph, and in the circle you have to divide that circle according to your data, and according to your percentage. Okay, here it will give some percentage, just like you have to see on your screen. Vanilla, that is 25%, strawberry that is your 15%, chocolate that's you have to use the 10%, and also it will give so many flavor here, just like your kista kesar pista, that is 30%, and mango grape that is your 20%. So everything is given in the percentage, so you have to make only the circle, and then you have to divide that circle according to that percentage, and then you have to draw these things. So this is your graph that is show on your paper with the help of a circle. Here you very well know that 25%. So 25% is the one fourth of that one. Yeah, one fourth part of a circle. You very well know 25% is a one fourth part. So how to get these things? That is a one fourth part. Yeah, that is this part. So you have to do this calculation at your home, and then you have to solve and find the percentage of fraction part of that percentage. Just like you, if you have to find the 25%, so you have to divide with 100. Write 25 upon 100, and then after 25 1 ja 25 4 ja, so that's value is 1 upon 4. So you have to take the 1 upon 4 part. Vanilla is take to the 1 upon 4 part of a circle, and then you have to give the percentage of that things as a 1 upon 4 part here. Okay, so this is a one fourth part of that of your circle, and then after you have to find the 15%, just like 15 upon 100, and 5 3 ja, and 5 2 ja 20, so that's will 3 upon 20. So this is a 3 upon 20%, so you have to draw here 3 upon 20%, and then after you have to draw the 10%, 20%, and 30% just after finding the percentage in the fractional part. Okay, after taking the percentage as a fractional part, and then you have to draw this figure. You have to divide this circle in the form of fraction, just like 1 upon 4 part is this, 3 upon 20 part is this, and 1 upon 10 part is this, and another things you have to do it. Okay, so when you have to divide these things in a fraction, then you have to draw this pie chart. Okay, and write the name, and also mention the percentage, as you know that because everything is given in a percentage form. Okay, now we have to explain our next question. Next question is your third question. Third question is says the value of export and import for the year 2003 to 2008 are given in the following bar graph. Study the bar graph and answer the following question. Here it will say कि importation is given here, import and export value you have, and also it will give a graph. On your book you have to see a graph just like that. Okay, so in this graph you have a year, and also you have a scale, what scale it will take. Just like here the year is shows, and here the value, that's the value is import or export during that year. So the value is given here, and year is show here. Okay, so this is the year of 2003 to 2004. This year is 2004 to 2005. This year is 2005 to 2006, and here this value is given 10, 20, 30, 40. So this type of value is given here, and with this graph you have to give that answer that is given below of that graph. Okay, here we have to explain how to give the answer. Just everyone see these things properly, because all the question is related with this question, and you have to do at your home these type of question. Okay, this is your homework. So everyone do this question just like that according to this question. Okay, so here the question is, what is the information in the given by the bar graph? So with this graph, what information you have? So you have a export and import information. It will give the export and import information in the 100 crore rupees of that year. Okay, particular years import and export information it will give. So by this graph you have to take this information. Then after, the second question is, in which year the export is minimum? Minimum means कम. कौन से ईयर में आपका जो एक्सपोर्ट है वो कम है? तो here you very well know export is less. So that's mean export is less, you have to take it these things. So this is a 40. Okay, 40 is the less value compared to these things. So 2003 and 2004 is the less uh, export value here. Student, this information is take with the help of a picture that one student is give me. So if any type of correction or any type of value you have here, some values is not clear with the help of the that student give the picture. So we have to write these things according to my knowledge, or according to my concern. I am not sure ke what question is given in this uh, book, because we don't have any type of book here. Student, if any student is know ke what is my number, if you have to check my number, then I have to give you a link of that video. So that time we have to mention our number. So you have to call me, or also if you have your mm, book, then you have to give me a picture of that book. Okay, and send me on my number. Okay, please. Now we have to start the question. So next question is, this is okay, in which year the export is minimum? So which year export is minimum, you very well know कि with the graph you have to take which year have the highest value. Just like you very well know 91 is the 2007 to 2008, that is your last bar graph. So in the last bar you have to see कि that bar is just so high, so that year is the maximum import. Okay, now the D question: in which year the difference of the value of export and import is maximum? So which year the export or import is maximum? So here we have to define the import and export is maximum. So in this graph you have to see, just like k just see these things के maximum value difference here. So just see this value have a maximum value difference here, this value. So I think this year is 5 to 7 year, 5 to 6 and 6 to 7 year the maximum import is there. Sorry, maximum is here or minimum here, just see this, that is a maximum here. तो maximum import you very well know कि where the maximum value is going there, means के सबसे ज़्यादा जो एकदम से import ज़्यादा हुआ है, तो that's value you have this year. This have a 15 value difference, this have a 15 value difference. So in the year of 3 to 4 and 4 to 5 year have a highest difference, I think. Or you have to see here one things, if you have to go in the year of this 55 to 80, that difference is I think be 5 and 25 is there. Okay, so 25 years 25 difference here and 15 difference here. So which value you very well know is the highest grossing? So that year is the highest grossing 4 to 5 and 5 to 6 year. So the answer of that question is 4 to 5 and 4 to 5, 4 to 5 year and 5 to 6 year, 2004 to 5 and 4 to 5 and 2005 to 6. This year is the highest maximum difference. So you have to write these things and cut it these things, and you have to write 4 to 2004 to 2005. So in this year and also 2005 to 2006, in 2 years the difference is going to the high approach. Okay, so you have to write this answer 2004 to 2005 and 2005 to 2006, that is the maximum export or import here. Okay, that is the maximum import because the difference is 25%, that's mean 25% it will increase, so 2005 to 2005 to 6. Okay, now we have to give you some uh, question at your home. You have to do it, that is your homework here. So question number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, that's all the question is related with the question number 3. Everyone do it these things, you have to give only the answer of that question with the help of a graph, and graph is given in your question. Okay, so with the help of graph you have to give uh, all the answer of particular question that is given in your question in your book. Okay, now we have to explain you question number 10, that is related with the graph. Here you have to draw a graph on the graph paper. So first of all you have to take a graph paper, and then after you have to draw this question at your home. Here the question is given below in the frequency distribution, given below in the frequency distribution of the height of 50 player of a school. Here the 50 player is given, and class interval you have 150 140 to 145 and 145 to 150, 150 to 155, 155 to 160, and other things is 160 to 165 here. So these interval is given, and all these interval you have a frequency just like 6. So in the interval of 140 to 145 only the 6 student is there, 145 to 150 only the 12 student is there, 150 to 155 only 18 student is there, and also 155 to 160 only 9 student is there, and 160 to 165 you have only 5 student. Okay, that is according to the height here. Okay, now you have to draw a histograph represent the above data. So you have to draw the histograph for this. So how to draw the histograph for this data? You very well know. Okay, first of all you have to take a graph, and on that graph you have to mention x-axis and y-axis. So where is the x-axis? X-axis is there and y-axis is there. Okay, now after the drawing of x-axis and y-axis, you have to take a scale on the x-axis also and on the y-axis also. Here you know keep 5 difference in the height is given 145 to 140 to 145 is given there, and 145 to 150 is there. So total difference is 5. So we have to write here the 140 to 155. So here the 140, here is the 145, here is a 145 to 150, here this is a 150 to 155, here this is a 155 to 160, and here this 160 to 165 is given there. So according to these things you have to mention at the graph that heights according to the that value, that is a 5 value difference on the x-axis. So you have to write the scale on x-axis. uh, one big box or 1 centimeter is equal to 5 inch. Okay, then after on the y-axis you have to mention the two value difference just like 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and here we have to mention the two value difference, and you have to mention just like according to your comfortable, you have to do that type of difference or that type of value on the y-axis. We have to take only two value difference with the help of a 1 centimeter. So we have to take 0 to 2, 2 to 4. So we have to take just like that, and then after we have to mention the histograph like you have a 145 to 140 to 145, that value is 6. So we have to mention these things and create a bar from 140 to 145, 140 से 145 तक की लाइन तक आपको ये इस टाइप से बार बनाना है. फिर अकॉर्डिंग टू नेक्स्ट वैल्यू और विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट टेबल, that value 145 to 150 is given 12. So we have to mention that 12 just like that and create a bar from 145 to 150. And next graph according to these things you have to draw just like you have to have a value is 18. So we have to write a 18 just like that, draw one line, and then after you have to draw that line with the help of 140, and the other line you have to draw at the 150 155. According to these things you have to draw this graph. Okay, so by this graph your histograph is formed, and now you have to uh, paste this graph on your notebook. Okay, now next uh, questions 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, these question you have to draw at your home as a homework. These question is quite easy and simple, and also you have to draw it properly at your home. If any type of concern related with these question or also with this video, you have to uh, call me, or also you have to comment below of this video. We have to give you the reply and also solve your problem as soon as possible. Okay, and also student complete your work. Student please send me the picture of the 17.2 exercise, then after we have to start your 17.2 and other exercise also, just like introduction of a graph, that is your last chapter. So you have to give that chapter pic also at my WhatsApp number. That number that is given in this video, that is your WhatsApp number also, so you have to give me at the WhatsApp. Okay, so if any type of concern, then you have to give your comment, or any type of problem that you want to ask me, then you have to give me, or on my WhatsApp number also, or uh, in the below of comment box you also mention that problem. I solve your problem. Okay, thank you for watching this video.